people, hope you're good. Thanks for joining me for an unboxing. Well, unboxing, as you can see what it is. I finally have it. WWE2K19, the Wooooo edition. Oh yeah. Now, I can't wait to open this. Let's have a look. Also, I've had to change scenery for today. I would do this in the living room, but baby's asleep and I don't really want to make loads of noise, so I'll let her have a nap while I do this in the jar. Oh, right. That's nice. I like that. It's embossed as well, I think. It's quite nice. Plus it tells you on the back what you get. I'll do my... Oh, okay. That's nice. It's so nice. Ooh, there it is. Oh, wow. I wonder what this is. Again, there's some strong tape. What's this? What is this? Oh, bloody hell. Oh. Is this? Oh. Come closer. Hall of Fame ring. Check that bad boy out. They're individually numbered as well. So you've got signed by it. Wow. That's got some weight, that has. Wow, that's real, that is. How the hell? I don't want to get it stuck on my finger. Damn. I'm a Hall of Famer. Woo. That is gorgeous. Wow. There's some serious weight on that. Hope it's phased in. Wow. That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Will you marry me? Yeah. What else we got? Ah, the game. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. $1 Million Challenge. I'd like to do that one day, but I think it's only for America. So we'll see. Right, what else we got? What else? I bet the codes are in there, but obviously I can't show you them. So, right. Do this. Got a feeling what this is. Ooh. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Wow. That's amazing. Come closer, come closer. Piece of Ric Flair's robe. Wow. That's definitely going up on my collectibles. The 16-time World Heavyweight Champion. Woo! That is gorgeous. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. You know, I thought, I swear, like, when I saw this collector's edition, I thought you get, it said you get 2 of these and a steel book. So, I don't know what's going on there, but that's kind of let me down a little bit. But beggars can't be choosers, I suppose, but I'm gutted. I wanted that steel book. So, and Ric Flair, Pop WWE. Is this the Funko one? Yes, Funko. There's that. The other ones you can collect if you choose to. Number 57. Got the diamonds. Looks quite good. Very detailed. Wheeling dealing son of a gun. Kiss stealing as well. Yeah. Just double check there's nothing else in here. Nope. Don't think so. So, yeah. Like I say, Hall of Fame ring. Beautiful. Funko toy. Obviously I won't open these. Always collect them. Piece of Ric Flair's robe. Sweet. And obviously the game. I'll quickly open it just to see. You know it's going to be like what I said, but put my mind at rest then. Put your minds at rest, I suppose. I don't play them. Book. Aha. Okay. WWE Super Showdown tomorrow. Make sure you watch, and obviously can't show the code, but that's what I get. I was hoping I get the season pass, but yeah, all in all, not too bad. Was kind of hoping for the steel book, but like I say, beggars can't be choosers. But I'm happy with it, and yeah, I'm actually quite happy. I especially love the ring. It's just, it's awesome. I want to wear it. I really do. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of WWE2K19 Collector's Edition. And give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Always like, share and subscribe. And peace.
Let me go, blood drip from your camera. It's like a knife held in